I'm so ready for fall. I know, a great big biker boy. #1 summer enjoyer, ready for fall. Yeah, I do enjoy summer. I like the hot. I like being able to go outside and get in the water. But you know what? It's the middle of fucking August. I am tired of being sweaty all the time. I know I'm wearing a hoodie right now. It was raining when I left work, and the rain has since stopped. So now I'm sweating enough to have a swamp in places I don't want a swamp. You could probably fucking fish out of it, low key. That's how damn wet it is, how deep it is, you know? But I'm ready for the crisp air. I don't necessarily want it to be like the 40s, 50s fall. I want the 50s, 60s fall. So I guess I am after the 50s, you know, I said that. Whatever. No unscripted. I'm ready for apple cider and shit to be like in season and not just be like an occasional, oh yeah, I'll get some. I'm ready for it to be like, it's fall, I need some apple cider in my life, you know? Same with hot chocolate and hot coffee. I've been drinking iced coffee all summer because, like, why the hell am I gonna get a 360 degree cup of coffee and burn the piss out of myself when it's 90 degrees outside? Speaking of, who the hell decided it was a move to make it so hot coffee gives you 3rd degree fucking burns as soon as it comes out of a machine? Like, come on, guys. Hot coffee can be, like, enjoyably hot and not melt your taste buds off. What the fuck? I'm ready for Halloween too. Like, I have to go to Spirit Halloween soon. It's supposed to open in August, the one near me, at some point. I don't know when in August. Again, at some point. Probably when a Ghost drops their A&W flavor, which I am hyped as fuck for, by the way. I'm ready for all the corn mazes and the cutesy couple stuff now that I've got a girl in my life that wants to do cutesy couple stuff. I'm ready for the haunted trails. I'm gonna be a scare actor on a haunted trail. I'm just gonna yell at people as they walk by where they can't see me, because I'm not gonna dress up and do all that extra stuff, because I'm a little too fucking round to do that. I'm kind of fat, but I'm looking forward to it, mainly because my boy Mac is gonna be there, and we just goof around in between like groups of people. Like, we have to get our act together when we hear him coming, and do you know how hard it is not to laugh when he's saying some dumb shit to you in an accent? It's insane. It's kind of like when you're in school and you're not supposed to laugh, and then your friend gives you the most blank stare possible and you like start cackling and shit. That's exactly what it is. I'm ready for hoodies to be like the move. Like, obviously I'm instead of wearing a hoodie right now, I understand it's because it was raining, but I'm ready for it to be like a hoodie is the move, and I don't have to take it off every time I stop riding, because I'm gonna sweat to death. Like, I stopped long enough to get gas, and I went from, yeah, this is great, to holy shit, you can mop with my hoodie, you know? Very ready for all the leaves to turn pretty and fall and be crispy, and finally be able to wear my jeans in peace without people being like, oh my god, you should be wearing shorts, it's hot. Nope, I rode the Harley to work today and every day like I usually do. I can't wear shorts. Well, I can, but I don't want to. The only bad thing about fall, though, is winter immediately follows it. And I don't like the cold, the ice, the snow, the slush, the blizzards. Not being able to ride for like 4 or 5 months out of the year. There was one year I did ride year-round on the CBR, but I can't do that anymore. My body won't let me. Are any of y'all ready for the heat to kind of simmer down a little bit? Get a little crisp, a little spooky? Let me know.